Most people think talking to yourself is weird, like something you should hide. But what if it's actually a sign that your mind is working differently, in a powerful way? Think about it. You're alone, maybe walking in your room, maybe lying on your bed, and suddenly you start talking out loud. Not randomly, but like you're explaining something, replaying a conversation, or even motivating yourself. If that's you, you're not strange. You're just wired a little differently. And honestly, that can be your biggest advantage. Because people who talk to themselves usually have these four rare traits. First, you have high self-awareness. Most people go through their day on autopilot. They feel stressed, confused, or stuck, but they don't really understand why. You do. When you talk to yourself, you're basically processing your thoughts in real time. You're asking yourself questions like, why did I react like that? Or what should I do next? That's not crazy. That's clarity. It means you're not just living, you're observing your own life, and that's the first step to improving anything. Second, you're a natural problem solver. Notice what happens when something goes wrong. Most people panic or avoid it. But you start talking it through. Okay, wait, what are my options? What if I try this instead? That's your brain trying to organize chaos into structure. It's like you're having a mini strategy meeting with yourself. And over time, this builds a powerful skill. You don't stay stuck for long. You figure things out faster than most people because you actually sit with your thoughts instead of running from them. Third, you have strong imagination and inner vision. A lot of your self-talk probably isn't just about problems. It's about scenarios, future conversations, goals, situations that haven't even happened yet. You're rehearsing life before it happens. That's huge because every successful person visualizes before they execute. When you talk to yourself like this, you're training your brain to be prepared. So when the real moment comes, you're not blank. You've already been there in your mind, and that gives you confidence most people don't have. Fourth, and this one is underrated, you're emotionally independent. You don't always need someone else to understand you because you can sit with yourself and actually listen. When you're overwhelmed, you don't just distract yourself endlessly. You process it. You might say, all right, calm down. What's really bothering you? That ability to self-soothe, to guide yourself, is rare, and it's powerful because it means you're not completely dependent on external validation or constant noise. You can be alone without feeling lost. But here's the truth. This habit can either make you stronger or keep you stuck. If your self-talk is negative, like constantly criticizing yourself, replaying failures, or doubting everything, then you're just reinforcing the problem. But if you shift it slightly, everything changes. Start using your self-talk intentionally. Talk to yourself like someone you respect. Instead of, I'm so behind, say, I'm figuring it out. Instead of, I can't do this, say, what's one small step I can take right now? That small change turns your mind from an enemy into an ally. So if you talk to yourself, don't try to stop it. Refine it. Use it, because you already have something most people don't. A direct line to your own thinking. And if you learn to guide that voice instead of fighting it, you can completely change the direction of your life. Tonight, just try this. When you catch yourself talking in your head, pause and consciously guide the conversation in a better direction. Not perfect, just better. And do it again tomorrow. Let's build this, one small step at a time.